Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini vehicle here. So now let's check from this one first. Okay everybody, let's check and clean with me right now. Firstly, I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Okay, now I bring one. Green supercar, everyone. Green supercar, my favorite supercar. Next one. Shaking again. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck, mini cement mixer truck. The next one. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. Mobil Truk. Bà rồi có truck là đất đây đất voi nắng mà truck. Next one. Mini airplane, very nice airplane. Okay, the next. Mini short bus. Super low floor. Everybody, mini bus. Now check next one. Super motorbike, yellow color. Very nice super motorbike. My dream super motorbike. Okay, now check another one. I shake it strongly in water. How about this one, everybody? A nice crane, a cute crane, a mini crane, a cute crane. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. I move this one. Okay. Put little water. Shake it. How about this one? Mini airplane, green color. Very nice airplane. Now check the next. Mini truck. Bà rồi có Mobil Truk. Và Mobil Truk là đất đây. Okay, the next one. Shake it. Mini excavator, everyone. This is a mini excavator. A nice color. Green racing car. Okay, the next one. Another truck, but different model, different shape, different design. Okay. How about this one? Yellow super motorbike with special tattoo, special stickers, big tire. Okay, another one. How about this one? Excavator, mini excavator. So nice. Let's move. Bà này đó cái này làn cho đà là nằm rồi đọc bằng 4 làn sòng cua bà là nó cứ làn sòng cua nó pe để mẹ đã khi phơi ấy chạp che nó cứ praประเภท là năng ហើយគេដាក់ចដានោះសម្រាប់ឡើងលើអាគារឡើងលើផ្ទះឡើងលើកន្លែងអីខ្ពស់បាទដែលមិនអាចយើងឡើងដោយបាទជើងទទេបានណាបាទហើយនេះគឺជាប្រភេទបាទឡានគីដី bulldozer everyone if you like my video please write down click a like button and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. Be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching. See you next time.